5 healthy low-calorie recipes for weight loss that boost metabolism and are safe for diabetics. Introduction. Are you looking for some delicious and healthy recipes that can help you shed those extra pounds? Do you want to boost your metabolism while still enjoying your meals? Look no further. In this blog post, we will share with you 5 amazing low-calorie recipes that not only aid in weight loss but also help energize your body by boosting metabolism. And the best part is, these recipes are perfectly safe for people with diabetes. So get ready to indulge in some scrumptious dishes that will benefit both your taste buds and health. These 5 recipes are designed to help you lose weight while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. They are packed with nutrients such as protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that make them not only delicious but also nourishing. All the ingredients used in these recipes are low in calories, so they will help reduce your overall calorie intake for the day. Moreover, these dishes concentrate on improving metabolism and digestion, which will eventually lead to weight loss. So let's get started. First, though, a reminder that liking the video and subscribing to the channel are actually allowed. Also, it is appreciated. Okay. Here we go. Metabolism boosting foods. Metabolism is the process in which our body converts food into energy. A faster metabolism means that calories are burned more quickly, leading to weight loss. Certain foods have been found to boost metabolism naturally. One of these foods is chili peppers. The compound capsaicin found in chili peppers can increase metabolic rate by up to 25%. Another metabolism-boosting food is ginger, which contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help speed up digestion and reduce inflammation. Green tea has also been shown to be a powerful metabolism booster due to its high content of catechins, an antioxidant known for its ability to burn fat. Additionally, protein-rich foods like eggs and lean meats require more energy from the body during digestion compared to carbohydrates or fats. Whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice contain fiber, which slows down the absorption of carbs into the bloodstream, keeping blood sugar levels stable and boosting metabolism. Incorporating these metabolism-boosting foods into your diet may aid in weight loss efforts while providing numerous health benefits. What are low-calorie foods? Low-calorie foods are foods that provide your body with essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. These types of foods can be incredibly beneficial for those who wish to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Fruits and vegetables are excellent examples of low-calorie foods, as they are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber without contributing too many calories to your diet. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as berries like strawberries and blueberries, are great options for those looking to add more low-calorie fruits and veggies into their meals. Protein-rich foods such as chicken breast, turkey breast, egg whites, fish fillets also tend to be lower in calories compared to other protein sources like red meat. They help you feel fuller for longer periods so that hunger pangs do not hit you between meals. Whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice can also make great additions to any diet focused on weight loss because they offer complex carbohydrates that convert slowly into glucose, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Incorporating these types of low-calorie whole foods into your daily diet is an effective way of promoting gradual weight loss without compromising on nutrition levels required by our bodies. How do these recipes benefit diabetics? For people with diabetes, managing their diet is a crucial part of keeping their blood sugar levels under control. That's why finding low-calorie recipes that are also safe for diabetics can be a game-changer in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. These 5 healthy low-calorie recipes not only help with weight loss but are also beneficial for those dealing with diabetes. With ingredients such as spinach, tomatoes and lean protein like chicken breast, these recipes incorporate foods that have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. In addition to being nutritious, these meals are also delicious and easy to prepare. Eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or convenience. By incorporating these recipes into your weekly meal plan, you'll be able to enjoy tasty and satisfying meals while keeping your health in check. It's important for diabetics to eat balanced meals throughout the day in order to maintain optimal glucose levels. These low-calorie dishes provide plenty of nutrients without adding too many calories or carbohydrates, which is essential when it comes to managing diabetes. Incorporating healthy eating habits into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in overall health and wellness for anyone, diabetic or not. 5 healthy low-calorie recipes for weight loss. Looking for healthy, low-calorie recipes that are both delicious and will help you lose weight? Look no further. Here are 5 amazing recipes that will leave you feeling satisfied, energized and ready to tackle your weight loss goals. First up is a tasty quinoa salad. Packed with protein and fiber, quinoa is an excellent choice for anyone looking to shed some pounds. Combine cooked quinoa with fresh veggies like cherry tomatoes, cucumber and red onion for a filling meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Next on the list is a classic favorite, grilled chicken breast. Marinate the chicken in olive oil, lemon juice and herbs before grilling it to perfection. Serve alongside steamed vegetables like broccoli or asparagus for a nutritious meal that's sure to satisfy. For those who crave something sweet, try making a berry smoothie. Blend together frozen berries with almond milk or Greek yogurt for a creamy treat that won't ruin your diet. If you're in need of comfort food but don't want all the calories, consider trying spaghetti squash instead of traditional pasta. Roast the squash until tender, then top with tomato sauce and lean ground turkey. It tastes just like spaghetti but without all the carbs. Make yourself some baked salmon paired with roasted Brussels sprouts tossed in garlic olive oil. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which can help promote weight loss, while Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamins C and K. Conclusion. To wrap it up, incorporating healthy low-calorie recipes into your daily diet can be a great way to not only lose weight but also improve your overall health. These 5 delicious and metabolism-boosting recipes are perfect for anyone who wants to maintain a balanced diet while keeping calories in check. For those with diabetes, these recipes can provide a safe and enjoyable option that won't spike blood sugar levels. Always remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Incorporating these healthy eating habits into your lifestyle may take some time, but they are definitely worth the effort. By choosing whole foods and avoiding processed options, you'll not only feel better physically but mentally as well. So go ahead and give these recipes a try. Your body and taste buds will thank you for it.